Hey, what's going on, guys? Lawson with Custom Offsets. Today's video, Rainey and I are going to be going over some of your guys' builds that you guys sent in. If you guys saw on our Instagram, we actually posted on our story that we're actually giving a winner out of some of these submissions $100 to go out to our website and spend to upgrade your ride. So you guys are definitely going to want to stick around to the end to find out the winner. If you guys do want to look at wheels, tires, suspension, performance, accessories, literally anything, you can do so on the site once this video is finished. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, so first up, we've got a 2004 Dodge Cummins. I don't know why it says purple, so that's not helpful at all.
Purple cab lights.
It's got like some purple in the...
How the f do you see at night?
Yeah, those headlights...
Oh, that's right. They're doing the swear counters on these again because I swear so much. This would be great. Last time they said I was weak.
Well, this should be good then.
Perfect.
All right, yeah, not a... Oh, God.
What the f? It's just getting worse. Why the f? Is the badge purple? Or is that black?
I think it's black.
I'm just not a fan of double bubbles. They're f***ing ugly.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan either, and I don't know about having a huge purple bumper on the front end.
Oh, he's got dual exit exhaust, dude, on the old dually. I don't know. Like, I like dualies. I like third gens. It's not double bubbles.
Thing's not bad. It looks like a workhorse. So like, take it with a grain of salt. You need a light bulb and the old driver's side headlight. You're kind of missing her there. But as far as the purple, I do love my purple. But this.
What the f is that?
What? What's the problem?
What the f is this coiled up f***ing cable?
I don't think that's a cable. That looks like a line.
I know, but it's on the wrong. I don't know. Whatever. Dude's making curly cues in his engine bay.
Yep.
I just don't. The worst part is it's not a terrible truck. Like, it's rust free. It just looks like shit.
Yeah.
Poor taste.
Clean.
Yeah.
But it's a workhorse. You know, it's a work truck. Maybe he's not trying to take this to shows. Hopefully.
Take that right down to the Oakwood junkyard.
All right, let's get to the next one.
I think it's just ugly.
All right, next up we've got Jacob Ellis.
The Nug.
To review, I just got it and thinking of stuff to do to it. The whole thing is coated in bed liner and it's leveled on 33s right now.
Of course it is.
Nice.
It looks like primer fucking gray.
Yeah.
I just don't see the appeal in this fucking truck.
Why?
What the f? Dude, the two front seats are dirtier than the rest of the whole damn truck. That's the color they're supposed to be. Like, they were probably cloth like the back seats, but they're so dirty that they are now looking like leather.
I don't think that's how that works. What?
It's an OBS Chevy.
You think his seats are just dirty?
It's pretty plausible with an OBS Chevy.
No.
You've never seen a nice one.
If they were cloth, there would have had been like some water that just sprayed everywhere in there.
Welcome to OBS Chevy life, dude.
No.
You've never seen a nice one. You can tell me I'm wrong, but we both know I'm right.
Well, yeah. I'm still on.
Those were fucking cloth.
I can't get past the fact.
Those are fucking cloth, dude. I'm telling you. That's why they're fucking dirty.
This looks like my truck.
Yep. I wonder if you can see that when the doors are closed.
The old two-tone. The old, when you open the doors, the red shines everywhere. Rest in peace, me.
Yeah.
Give me the $100.
This is critiquing other people's rides, not your own.
Okay, I'm sorry. Let's move on.
Should have bedlined the fucking bumpers and the wheels. Good luck balancing that out. I don't know.
Past that?
It's just an OBS that's bedlined because someone had no taste.
Yeah.
And dirty front seats. So they're fucking dirty.
All right, next.
I'm telling you.
All right, next up, Christopher Davis. 1987 Ford F-250, 6.9 IDI, 4-speed manual, 2-wheel drive. How's it going? This is my 87 F-250 that I've had for roughly 6 months. Truck is just used for dump runs and driving my kids around town.
I'll skip the rest. It's all junk.
I've ripped... Come on, some of these stories are good.
I read the whole thing already.
There's no fucking way you read all of that already.
Yes. You know, you make fun of me when I play video games and I type really fast. I can read really fast too, so.
I'm going back to school. I can't read.
I enjoyed reading in high school.
All right. Wow.
Dude, this is like a fucking truck Brute would drive. I don't know.
Yeah. I dig it.
It's an IDI, so.
Got a Manuel.
It's an IDI, so I guess it's cool, but IDIs are slow.
Yeah.
But it's a manual,
reliable.
So that makes up for it. The seat cover is neat. I don't fucking know, dude. It's just.
Well, seeing that, I think that's where it came from.
See, that's where I'm concerned. Like, I don't know. Did it start there or did it end on the black truck?
I hope to God this is not what it started and this is what it ended as.
It wouldn't surprise me if it did.
I mean, also fair. But
I don't know. It don't look terrible.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
I mean, just for a beat truck. Well, you know, like you live in a town, I guess, you know, like if you just did gardening and didn't give a about it and had to run a Tractor Supply Co. and you didn't want to up your truck.
And had to run your kiddos around. He said plural kiddos. There's not a lot of room in there, but
whole bed full.
Put her on the old bench seat.
Yep.
I dig it.
Not terrible. I wouldn't own it, but here we go. The old Chum Chums. Oh, it's a second gen.
Oh boy, bought this 24 valve off a farmer for $2,500 since he couldn't get it to run. It's a junker, it says daily now. Swapped out the auto with a 6-speed out of the junkyard.
We could just start with a VP44. Then buy a 24 valve with a P pump in it because VPs are shit.
Still has the same trans fluid.
Yep. Welcome to second gen life. Doesn't really matter, it's an NV56, so.
It's got an old Dana 80 rear axle.
Push trucks and machinery around. Dude, look at that fucking bumper. Looking like the Titanic. Oh my God. Those are some of the most bird shit welds I've ever seen. I don't think I've ever seen a bumper that rusty before in my life. That is.
Yeah, that thing needs to be refinished bad.
Watch out, Jay Leno. There's a big chin in town. That thing is fucking huge, dude. That is like the front of a barge.
Yeah, that bumper is enormous.
Other than that, like, look at them taillights though.
Look at that tailgate though. Look at that custom pinstripe.
Doge. Yeah. Look at that fucking dog.
Look at the Doge and the Doge.
Look at that seat, dude. That's that dog's fucking kingdom.
Yeah. You should buy a vacuum cleaner with $100 from Custom Offsets. Do we sell those?
Yeah, we could. We could just give them a $100 vacuum.
Cut.
I just like the aluminized steel I-beam square tube welded to the, I don't know, steel that's been sitting out in a fucking salt field for the last 25 years. Like, you know what that's doing to your front end? Oh, you're gonna fucking fall off.
Yeah.
I don't know. It is what it is.
It's pulling the whole truck down, bud.
Yeah, like if you had a stock bumper, it'd be all right.
Yeah.
Like, it'd be all right. I'd with it, but it's not.
Sit, rate it, I don't care.
You can't it's critique.
Critique
before we
it,
get fired.
Rate it, I don't care. Caleb.
Look at that fucking CB whip, dude.
Bro, I had to scroll so long just to get down to your truck from the fucking CB whip.
That dude must
locally hated.
Yep.
Oh my God.
He's got the old wake boat fucking turned down. Holy Christ, you do not see that in that first photo, really.
No.
Oh, that's because it wasn't lifted in the front.
Yeah.
That's like a fucking 7 to 9 Magoys.
Yeah, he slapped a large lift in the front. Yeah, I can't see that cross member. I think it is a Magoys. Yeah, half American. Yeah.
That's why we can't have nice mics. Son of a bitch. Look at that wavy strip light in the back.
Yeah, that strip light is,
man,
yeah, it's not, I don't know, it's not bad wheels, not bad
what
tires.
Those fuels are ugly, dude.
Okay, well for you it's American Force or Die, so
no,
every wheel sucks.
No, not true. I like Hostiles. Oh, like, those are like fuel cranks, fuel knuckles. I don't fucking know, but they're ugly.
Okay, but in comparison to the last 5 trucks that we just went over.
I would rather have my stock Laramie wheels than those. All day, every day.
Compared to the last 5 trucks that we just went over.
I'd rather drive the second gen.
Oh my God. These are the best, this is the best wheel and tire. This is the only aftermarket wheel and tire package that we've seen throughout this whole episode.
I'd rather walk.
Can I just make a fucking point? Either way, he's off to a way better start.
Yep.
He doesn't have shit water seats. He doesn't have a huge rusty fucking front bumper that he cut off.
Yeah, front bumper's worth a lot, dude.
Tower.
Steel's through the roof. Those wheels aren't worth shit.
All right, the wheels are shit. They ain't worth shit.
That I don't mind that. Like that's
what,
okay.
The huge ass fucking dent in the side?
See, Hostiles doesn't look fucking terrible. Told you. Imagine going from this and the stupid dual exhaust to that abortion.
Yeah.
It looks fucking terrible.
Yeah, the come up is not a come up. It's come down.
Yup. Yeah, that's fucking terrible.
Oh shit. Yeah,
Put it back.
I like the truck. I like how.
It's terrible.
I like the truck how it was before.
And like that's, I don't know, that's not a show truck, but it'd be like an okay daily. Dude, wall tapping that fucker. I think that's it. I got everything out.
God damn it!
Get my eyes fucking watering.
All right. Hello, my name is Alex. I'm 17 from holy Canada. What is that?
Saskatchewan.
Oh, Saskatchewan, Canada, and enjoy your guys' content. Thanks, Alex. I got an old farm truck that I think fits the box category, 93 Chevy 2500.
Yep.
She's seen some hard miles. Only thing I've done to it is lock the four-wheel drive, so when I hit a snowbank at 80, at least all four wheels turn.
This dude's Canadian as
Yeah, I like how he parties.
Yeah, that's a work truck.
That fucking white bar.
Mean green. Okay, so did it? Okay, it started out white. Now he
Oh my god.
I have seen way fucking paint jobs doing this. You are the poorest friend out of your entire fucking friends group, and it shows. I just love that he rocks it though.
Oh, dude, that's fucking great. Dude pulled up to the bar.
Yeah, dude.
And his buddy's got brand new trucks.
You know the best part though is like, right? You total out the brand new Denali, you're gonna feel like a piece of shit. You total out the Sierra, you're gonna feel like a piece of shit. You could wrap that around a tree and straighten it out by Monday and still get to school and not give a shit.
Ready to smoke something with this thing.
Yeah, like a fucking moose or a maple tree.
Literally set, or a cow. Look at them fuckers.
Department of, the old park warden truck. That's cool. That thing's been through some shit. Okay, what the That's not even the same truck.
Yeah, I'm confused on where.
Well, Mean Green's pretty fucking cool. He's got like eyelashes, but it's just more lights. The eyelash truck's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like the John Deere yellow wheels, the
grill,
the bumpers, the grills. The grill's like fucking upside down and turned in. It's weird. It's equally as ugly, but it's cooler than this because it's a Chevy.
Yeah, at least like he said, at least he rocks it. He loves this thing.
Yeah.
I would just take it through that field. Look how fucking long that field goes. All right, Rainey, we have to pick a winner.
Oh.
Yeah, true. All right, so we are going to pick Christopher Davis. Congrats on winning the $100 gift card. For those of you who don't recall what his truck was, it was the insanely clapped white F-250 that he then converted into a pretty decent, clean, all black, single cab, old school F-250.
Yeah, I mean, he's the only one that went forward in life.
Yep.
I don't know what the you're gonna buy for $100, I'll be honest, but.
Or towards something.
You could buy gauges, because I'm pretty sure we're getting those on the website pretty soon.
Hell yeah.
Or, yeah, you could do gauges. I think that'd be right about $100.
Yeah, gauges or, spice something up, whether there's headlight options or something. But either way, once again, congrats to Christopher Davis. If you guys want to be featured and want a chance to win a $100 gift card, you guys can submit your trucks for us to critique and go over to tv@customoffsets.com. That's what we got for you guys on today's video. If you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, accessories, or performance, customoffsets.com.